Is it unlocked? There you go. Slide on in.
Thank you.
Yep, and then you gotta buckle it because there's an alarm that goes off. There it goes. You only got like 5 seconds. All right, we're gonna go down to RI, and I'll introduce you to folks down there.
Thank you.
Columbus Police Tech 90.
Hi, my name's and I'm a property manager of a property located 3951 West Broad Street. And we have a homeless person that's been here. Oh gosh, I think he's like living here. On the back, on the rear of the building, he has on, I believe, orange pants. He's black. He's sleeping right now. But if I could have a crew to come out, we just need him to leave. I actually need to get inside of a door that he sleeps by, and I'm afraid to go in that. It's our mechanical room. Excuse me.
Mr. Castle.
190, I just pulled up with this dude sleeping on the sidewalk out here on West Broad Street.
Okay.
And the caller is running at me.
Okay.
Hi. You just want him gone?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just haven't had time to apologize. It's been later in the day. I need to get into that room, and I'm so scared.
He has been getting into the room?
No, I need to.
Oh, okay.
And I'm so scared. Like, today he's passed out, and there's times when he's like dancing and everything. Yes, he passed out.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go right over here to the front of the building.
Okay, I'll get him out here. Yep. Hey, buddy, you wake up. You can't be here. The property manager was just here. Telling you trespassing the property. Is this where you've been sleeping, like, for days? Yeah, you can't be doing that, man. It's got them freaking out. And they need to, like, use this door, and they can't. Do me a favor. Give me your name.
B-E-V.
B-E-V? D-E-V.
O-N-N-I-O.
I-O. What's your last name?
James.
James?
Yes.
Okay. What's your social, James? How long you been on the streets?
I've been out here since I came here August, and I've been here since the New Year's. I started doing the homeless thing. I started being homeless since the New Year's till now.
Really? So maybe like 4 or 5 months. How'd you get through the winter?
Right here. And then,
Did you have a tent or something?
no, it's right here.
No shit.
Yeah.
Man, I'm sure people have been out here and all your resources and stuff, right? Why haven't you taken up any of those resources? Trying to get off the street.
I was trying to wait. I was going to Van Buren, and then the funny thing, my girlfriend, me and her was trying to go there. I said, baby, where you at? She's like, I'm in an abandoned house. So I said, I used to be in an abandoned house when we already got a perfect opportunity. See, I lost my bed. I said, alright. So I had when and slept with her. I lost my spot in the Van Buren and stuff, and then it just dragged me to be back right here. So
Well, you just gotta stay at it, man, and try to get back in there. You go to Jordan Crossing, anything like that?
I didn't know. That's my first time.
Oh, you never heard about Jordan's Crossing? So do you know where Hague Avenue is? It's down that way. You go down to Hague and you go north by the railroad tracks. Do you know where the bike path is? You ever use that?
First time.
Yeah. So they're right basically at Hague Avenue and the bike path near the railroad tracks. They set up like food giveaways and stuff like it's busy. But they help people get IDs, and they help people get with social work and try to get back into housing and stuff. And are you current on your mental health treatments and stuff?
No, I need to get back on that too.
Okay. Do you know where to go for that? You ever been down to RI International or Netcare?
No.
Okay. RI International took over for Netcare. And what they do is they're just an outreach center that helps get people in contact with resources. I can take you there today if you'd like. You want to do that? Okay, gather up your stuff. I'm gonna tell the owner what I'm gonna do with you, and I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Oh, she's right here. Hey, I'm gonna run him down to RI. I'm gonna give her a heads up. Yeah, that poor guy. He's a little bit nutty.
Do you guys know him from around here?
No, I never met him before.
Okay.
He's super compliant, super friendly.
Okay.
He's smiling. He's been out here since January, he said.
Well, he was out here and another guy, and I told them, I said I called the cops. I said they're going to be here soon. The one guy, he took off. That guy, he's been here.
Yeah.
And it's like,
I don't think it quite computes with him.
Okay.
But there's several outreach places around. I'm going to take him down to one. Because
Awesome.
he said he's not current on his mental health treatments.
yeah.
So the place I can take him, it's almost like a collection point where they distribute
Awesome.
resources. So
Awesome.
try to get him back on track with his mental health.
Good.
And they will try to get him housing.
Good.
Usually it's the mental health that prevents him from following up on his
Yeah.
housing appointments.
Right.
It's easy just to lay out here. He's using
Right.
a hairdryer as a heater.
I know. My landscaper saw that.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
he's super friendly.
Well, and you know, none of the tenants are complaining, which is so,
strange.
You know,
Usually
so,
as soon as something like that happens, we get a call.
I know, but and I need to get into that room
Yeah.
right there, like where he lays, and it's like, yeah, no one's really complaining, but you know, we just can't have it. So good.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing that.
Yeah.
I appreciate
Like
it.
anytime something's like that, just call right away.
Awesome.
There's no
Thank
point
you.
in letting it drag on.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm
Take-
gonna wait till you guys leave, and then I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw him in my car and get him out of here.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Well, he's been sleeping here for weeks.
This is the only way in.
Yeah, I got stuck myself.
I was like, oh, go back here.
Yeah. Here, you can just put your stuff right in the back of my truck, so you don't need to load it all up in your pockets and everything.
Appreciate y'all so much.
Yeah.
We used to be free. It was just
You want to keep that with you? You want to take your coat off or anything? So you can come from the car? I do have to pat you down, make sure I don't have any weapons on
Oh,
you.
yes, sir.
It'll be easier without all these layers on.
Yeah. Y'all want to take a ride with y'all?
Yeah, it's easy. I'll show you the area. So you don't have any weapons or anything, right? Go ahead and turn around for me. What do you have? Just some papers and stuff?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my
Cell phone charger. Oh, your vape. All right, man. Do you need this with you right now, or can it sit back here?
Oh, yeah, that's a phone. Okay.
Okay, I'll just leave it right there. Let's go over to the back seat. Is it unlocked? There you go. Slide on in.
Thank you.
Yep, and then you gotta buckle it because there's an alarm that goes off.
Oh,
There it goes. You only got like 5 seconds. All right, we're gonna go down to RI, and I'll introduce you to folks down there.
thank you.
All right, if you unbuckle, buckle it back into the front so the alarm doesn't go off, okay?
Yeah, there you
Yes, it's just annoying.
Thank you so much. Man, my support system's so low that you need some support.
Yeah, that's what helps a lot. These are good people here.
Yes, it is good support. That's it. I do the job too, and I get there, I do the work, I just need transportation.
Yeah, I mean, first step is housing and getting your mental health stuff taken care of, right? Let me get this locked.
They say they're a little slow. I said, I know, I'm trying to speed it up. I'm trying to speed it up, I promise.
Hello. Morning.
Hi.
I'll let you go. All right. This is Devanio.
Hey, how are you doing? Okay.
Devanio came to Columbus in January from Indiana.
Okay.
August, yeah.
August, so almost a year. Had some grand plans of trying to get to Texas, and that didn't happen. And
Okay.
has had some attempts at getting into housing, but he hasn't been getting any of his mental health treatment since August when he left
Okay.
South Bend. And that's kind of holding him back from following up on his appointments that he needs. He's been sleeping out in the open for this period of time. Got the best attitude of anyone I've ever met on the street.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Take care, man.
Appreciate it.
I'll see you around.
Hopefully next time I see you, you got a car and you got a job.
Yes.
All right, take care. I think that guy right behind you.